Hi guys, welcome to AI News. Here are today's headlines. Revolutionizing mining, Razer Labs AI integration for predictive maintenance. NVIDIA's H200 unveiled a quantum leap in AI processing power. AI Singularity on the horizon, expert predicts 3 to 8 years. Now let's dive into the detail. Revolutionizing mining, Razer Labs AI integration for predictive maintenance. Razer Labs, a leader in AI solutions, has forged a groundbreaking 8-year partnership with a major global mining corporation. The deal, worth millions, involves deploying Razer Labs' DataMind AI across 14 mining sites. This innovative system, utilizing over 10 sensor types and AI, predicts and prevents machine failures, minimizing downtime and cutting maintenance costs. The multinational corporation's commitment emphasizes the technology's impact on an international scale. Despite Israel's lack of a mining industry, Razer Labs' prowess positions it as a key player in preventing industrial malfunctions globally, marking a significant leap after their 2021 IPO. NVIDIA's H200 unveiled, a quantum leap in AI processing power. NVIDIA's latest high-end chip, the H200, promises to revolutionize AI model training and deployment. With 141 gigabytes of cutting-edge HBM3 memory, it outpaces its predecessor, the H100, and is set to generate AI output almost twice as fast. The chip's compatibility with the H100 ensures a smooth transition for AI companies. As NVIDIA's AI GPU sales soar, with a predicted 170% surge this quarter, the H200's release positions the company at the forefront of the generative AI boom. The H200, set to ship in Q2 2024, heralds a new era in accelerated AI innovation, challenging competitors like AMD's MI300X. AI Singularity on the horizon, expert predicts 3 to 8 years. In a groundbreaking revelation, Ben Goertzel, CEO of SingularityNet, foresees artificial general intelligence (AGI) arriving within 3 to 8 years, bringing humanity to the brink of the singularity. Despite skepticism, the AI race intensifies, fueled by Meta, OpenAI, and Elon Musk's xAI. The shift from military-driven motives to profit and creativity propels AGI development. While some doubt the proximity of the singularity, the quest is underway. Musk's recent foray with the chatbot Grok underscores AI's disruptive potential. As tech giants vie for AGI supremacy, the tantalizing question remains, will the singularity reshape our future? That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news, and see you in the next video.